Yes, guys. Let's see, where is Santa? Is he coming? With a bag full of goodies for all of you. Yes, Aman. We can have our chairman and our CEO coming over here to take their seats. Shall we welcome them with a big round of applause? Shall we welcome our chairman, Mr. Ansar, and our CEO, Mr. Abhilash. We have two guests with us.
There is a chair for you.
This is Abhilash also in front, please. So, are we all excited? Waiting to put our hands together and dance with Santa Claus, who is coming all the way from the North Pole. He's been very kind to us. When we requested him, he said, yes, that's a special place to be in. So anytime now you guys will hear the ring of the bell, and you know he's here. Yes, dear? Santa's coming. You want to dance with Santa? Yes? Yes. You want to put your hands together? Yes. May I, in the meantime, as we wait for Santa, request our chairman Saab to say a few words on this beautiful morning, this lovely gathering, where all of us are waiting for some good friends. So what's Mr. Ansar?
Good morning. Good morning. Yes. Okay. So you have some nice Thomas. Very nice to see the parents and the children. Thank you very much for joining this small celebration of ours. It's really indeed a pleasure to have all of you here. Once again, thank you so much for coming down. When we talked about Christmas, for me, basically I was, my school days, I was in a Christian school. Even though at home I was brought up as a Muslim boy, and most of my celebrations and most of the early days, the only thing I knew was Christmas. I never knew more about ours because that entire area we were the only Muslim family, the rest all were the Christian family. So for us it was the Christmas. It was never any other celebration. So that is how we were brought up. Taken up. And never we are going to back down, or never we are going to this place to get the best. Like, Santa is coming. Welcome.
open sleigh. For the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing this sleighing song tonight.
Thank you, Santa. Thank you.
Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bell, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. A day or two ago, I thought I'd take a ride, and soon Miss Fanny Bright was seated by my side. The horse was lean and lang, his fortune seemed his lot. They got into a drifted bank, and then we got upsot. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Dashing through the snow in a one-horse open sleigh. For the fields we go, laughing all the way. Bells on bobtails ring, making spirits bright. What fun it is to laugh and sing this
There
sleighing
are also
song
children ones.
tonight. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh. Jingle bells, jingle all the way. Oh, what fun it is to ride in a one-horse open sleigh.
Santa seems to have got a big bag.
The mic over to Santa.
Merry Christmas.
Happy New Year! Everybody around here and in the world. I have come from Tundra. Very cold day. Here it is good, warm. With the people also. Right? Very warm people.
Santa's a friend.
Where are the gifts I sent already?
Yeah, don't touch yourself. Be on now.
Here. Come. Come. I'll come.
Bennett, come, Bennett, come.
Yes, Bennett.
சஜு கார்ல வீடியோ கொஞ்சம் முன்னாடி கூட கொண்டு போகணும். முன்னாடி என்ன நடக்கிறது யாரும் பேச முடியாது. கொஞ்சம் அது முன்னாடி கொண்டு போகலாமா?
Christmas. Taking photo.
So thank you, Santa.
Yes. So, any more? I think it's time for cake cutting.
More gifts.
Yes. You want to give away everything, Santa? You can give away Yes. So, may I request Santa to give away a gift to Apples? Zubair, Edwin, is he here? Zubair? Navya? Aishwarya? She is Umar Shankar. Ain't no cow. Look, you don't get him, it's very difficult for us to do.
You are giving me?
For me. Here we go. Come here now. Come here. Ryan? Come.
Ready? All ready?
Put your hands together.
Merry Christmas. Happy New Year.
Let the song be on, please. Santa Claus will get, we'll send you
I have to go to other people. So we go back to
He's coming from Tundra, not Pole. He has to come to North Pole.
I have to go back there.
Yes, yes.
Very much. Thank you.
Thank you so much.
Cake ತಗೊಂಬನ್ನಿ, cut ಮಾಡಿ. Please be seated. Shall I ask for more chairs? Can we get some more chairs here, Ma? Okay, guys, let all of you enjoy the presence of Santa. Yes or no? So please go with Santa's blessing that the new year 2021 will be great for all of us, especially our parents' company and of course our school. We want to have more fun. We want to have a great time in the new year. Wishing everyone great health, happiness, a lot of joy and a lot of gifts. Yes?
Yes.
I quickly
Once again,
request.
I request Mr. Raman Karibulla to give a Christmas wish.
Yes,
Good afternoon, good morning to all of you.
Good morning.
We are all really thrilled to see Santa and
Yes.
see the school going. I'm very happy. Myself, Banzar and Abhilash used to walk around in this place when it was raw. When I saw the colors and a lot of activities, it's an amazing thing happening. We wish you all a great time. And you know, the last year went with all of naughty things around us. But the year going to be cheerful, colorful, wonderful and
Wow.
you all know, and as you all know, the chairman, Mr. Ansar, was telling you all the commitment of ours to bring up this school. That is our social responsibility and our social commitment. In this we will grow naturally the anxiety of the principal will also grow and the school will also grow. Nothing to worry. We are committed to upbring the school into a role model school in the country. We will do that down the line. Wish you all a Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to you.
Merry Christmas to you.
Happy New Year to you.
Happy New Year.
May I invite Advocate Vaman Kumar to say a few words, please?
2 words.
My dear friends, Christmas always brings miracles in our life. There was a factory in America where there were 300 workers, and they had a practice of having a lottery taken on every Christmas day. Each one of the employee must have put $10, and 300 people will be putting $10 each, so it will be $3,000. So one gentleman or a lady will be getting that prize. So one year in Christmas, when the lot was about to be taken, one person thought there was an auntie cleaner lady, a lady who was a sweeper, a cleaner in the factory, and her son was undergoing a treatment and he was waiting for a surgery. So a youngster put the name of the lady, thinking that let this prize be won by that madam, so that it will be great help to her. But the chances was only 3% because 300 people, one person winning the lottery. But when the chairman, just like Ansari Bhai, when the chairman took the lot, and when he read the name, announced the name of that cleaner lady who won $3,000, everybody was happy. And the lady cried and she ran to the Dales and told that, oh God, this will be a great help for the surgery of my son. After that, the youngster who wrote the name of this lady, stealthily went to the place and he picked up few papers, and he picked up all the papers in different handwriting. He saw everybody wrote the name of that auntie. Whoa! Everybody. 300 people wrote it. So Christmas is one celebration that can bring miracles in your life.
Yes.
I think this organization will bring miracle in the life of these 20 children and the miracle in hundreds of people in Bangalore. I salute the visionary leader Ansari for the great sacrifice and service you are doing. Happy Christmas. And after 25 years, I met my great friend Raman Karipudi today. So Merry Christmas to you guys. Thank you very much.
Thank you.
That's great to know. They are meeting after 25 years here today morning.
That's lovely. That was your Christmas gift.
Very young, huh?
They were really very motivating and sir, please sit.
It's okay.
They were very motivating words for us. I must tell you, sir, when you said that as the school grows, anxiety of, you call me principal. I don't like that word principal. But no, with these two people around me and their families supporting me and our team, there is no place for anxiety. They sort of gel with us and help us to grow this place with all the passion. So may I request our CEO to say a few words, please.
Merry Christmas to all! First of all, I should say thanks to our Santa who has come all the way from North Pole. Hope he will be safe and fine in North Pole, okay? Secondly, let us say thanks to our Ramasubramania Gandhi sir, the former DG of RBI. He has come here to grace the occasion. So say Merry Christmas to Sir Gandhi. Merry Christmas! Right. And then our two distinguished guests out here, Mr. Raman Karimbura and Advocate A.V. Vaman Kumar. So Merry Christmas and Happy New Year to our distinguished guests. And next is the chairman of Indus Viva, Mr. C.A. Ansel, and director of our school, Dr. Sundari. So Merry Christmas to both of you. And especially a Merry Christmas to my wife Chiti. And my beloved corporate team, school team, and lovely parents and kids out here. Merry Christmas to all. Alright. So let us all hope that 2021 will be a fantastic year, and let us come out from all the difficulties of 2020, and let's bring 2021 bring a lot of happiness, a lot of good health, everything to all of us around. So may God bless you all. Merry Christmas to all.
Thank you, Abhilash. So, that was Santa, that was Christmas. Now, we end this little program for all the little ones with their parents here. With a small announcement, our chairman has given us the green signal to start the school full-fledged from 3rd of January. Yes, sir? 4th of January. Okay, 4th of January. So we request and we dream that all the kids will come back. We'll have lots of fun and lots of things to do and grow together. Yeah? So thank you all. It was fun having all of you. And to all the tiny tots, there are snack boxes kept there. As you leave, boxes will be handed over to you. What was the cake for? We'll have it later. Sit there. So this program happened because of the great cooperation and hard work of the team again. Sanya has been the convener of this.
Good job, Sanya.
And of course, each of my therapists have been in charge of some duty for this program. Navya was in charge for the collage competition, doing it meticulously. Navya, where are you? Very busy getting and of course, okay. So she was behind. Aishwarya was in charge of the registration. I think Aishwarya and Dinesh were going up 3-4 days to get more and more participants. And our physiotherapist, Umar Shankar, and they have been in multiple, come on Abhiram, they have been in multiple committees, from all the beautiful decoration that you see to picking up all the food for us, everything. They've all done it together. So 3 cheers to this team, starting with our chairman and our CEO, and Titi, who is across here with her. And of course, Mr. Gandhi and the other 2 guests out here today. So let's give a big, big hand. Thank you, thank you, thank you. It's been fun when we requested our chairman sir and Mr. Gandhi to come over as the judges. They said yes, we're coming here. So it's our duty to first thank our chairman, the judge, Mr. Gandhi, and our CEO, Mr. Abhilash. We have a small plant again, which is it's a feng shui plant, which brings a lot of money to you. So it's an indoor plant. So may I request I offer a little jade plant to Mr. Ansar. This is for both of you.
You don't need money.
I love my plants. Okay, we're ready for the. Who do you think got the 3rd prize? Any guesses? In answer, judges. Any guesses? Abhilash, who do you think got the 3rd prize? Which team do you think got the 3rd prize? Any guesses? Our team. Okay, I announce their names. Bhagyashri, Raisaki, all 3 in the team.
One by one we can.
Okay. Alright, start please. Yes. The team which got the third prize for their concept of revolution. Bhagyashree. Let's put our hands together. Rishika. All three together. That was the third place. Congratulations to the team. Over to the second place. Any guesses? Saujanya and Hari. Saujanya, Priyanka, and Krishna. Prashant. No, dear. Sorry. Priyanka. I'm sorry. No, I thought Priyanka is coming. My attention was there. Prashant. Congratulations to the team which has won the second place. No more suspense. Chetana. To do the honors.
Congratulations.
So, nice to see you guys in the team. We expect your guys the future in our competition. Good job. So may I request our chairman, Sam, Abhilash and Mr. Gandhi to give away the participation certificates. There are only 6 more people left, so I think Rama Devi. Next is
You also joined.
Devi. You know, we at the school survived because of your enthusiasm. Yes. Manjula. So thanks to every our programs will not be successful. I sacrifice for it. Rachel. Yogeshwari, please come. And Shubha. welcome. And wishes from Santa to all of you. Please keep supporting us. May I request all the dignitaries to please take this. Please keep supporting us like this so that whatever we plan becomes successful and we all have fun together. At this point, I must introduce one lady out here to Abhilash and Ansar, Rama. She is a teacher in one of the schools and she has promised us to train our kids for the annual day that we are planning in March, April. She is into dance, drama and stuff. So she will train our kids and our kids will perform for her. Thank you, Rama. So thank you all.